All right, we finished up for today. Think I've done all I can do. We do have more rain coming in. This is the backstop area. I've got to build that corner up over there just a little bit more, and I'll just take some of this over here and bring over more than likely. But anyway, that is a steep sucker, almost straight up and down. That's kind of a final rough grade, and I'll take the 850 and bring it in here and get somebody to help me with the laser. I'll set it up and we'll work this, because I sure do not want any water standing any place. It's pretty close right now. That was a bust. Tried to set that brush pile on. There was too much humidity and not enough wind this morning. So anyway, I think this will make a really nice backstop. I mean, it is solid clay. Like I said, I need to add a little bit more, but it's not too bad. Not perfectly straight. It's back a little bit more here than it is here, but I think it'll be okay. And like I said, we'll build this backside up. I'm going to put topsoil up here. That topsoil's over there. I'll take and I'll spread it on this backside and over here. I tried to push these berms up a little bit. Entirely too wet. It's just like mud. So I didn't even mess with this side here. Again, we're going to have to put a pipe in down here to drain that. I've got a slight slope to the south, and then, like I said, a foot slope. So I'm a foot higher here than I am down there where the laser's at. And so that should give us a nice flow down towards that area. And like I said, we're going to put a pipe or something in there, and that way we can kick it off down that low area. Anyway, supposed to get rain tomorrow, so it may be a while before I can post any more videos. It's just been, man, I tell you, it's just been horrible. The weather's just killing us. Anyway, I think that's pretty well it. I think I'm gonna get everything shoveled out, all the mud and stuff on the machine shoveled out, because it may be a while before I can get back out here. So anyway, we'll get them shoveled out, then we'll load everything up and we'll get to the house. It's about dinner time. But anyway, I'd like to remind you to like my video and subscribe. Again, it would be a great help, much appreciated. And like I said, the whole coronavirus thing, I mean, who knows how that's all going to play out. Fingers crossed that it doesn't affect us much. Right now I've got quite a bit of business lined up, but I mean, who knows, you know. So people could call and cancel, and you know, just never know. So I'm a little bit nervous. See how this all plays out. So fingers crossed, hopefully everything will go all right, and hopefully we can get a vaccine figured out for this. And because this is crazy, I've never in my life seen anything like it. It's just, people have gone just nuts, and yeah, you got to be something to be serious about, but it's not to lose your stinking mind over. And it just, I mean, you about gotta carry a gun when you go into Walmart, because they put a pallet of toilet paper out or something like that, and next thing you know, there's a knockdown drag out trying to get toilet paper. And I'd still like to know where in the heck the whole let's hoard toilet paper came from. I mean, where did that come from and why? Anyway, so again, like, subscribe, help me out, much appreciated. And again, hope to have a lot of videos, you know, in the next few months, fingers crossed. So anyway, gonna go home and eat again, and we'll catch you later. Ciao.